Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with our concept that is searching in data structure using C. This is the concept from the second unit of data structure. The unit's name is searching and sorting. So what is exactly searching is? In searching, we have to find an element from a specific array or a group of elements in an sorted array or an unsorted array. So when there are many numbers in an array or more number of data in an array and we have to find a specific element, so how we are going to do that? For that, two methods are defined. That methods are linear search and binary search. So in this lecture, we will see what is linear search is and how to find out an element using the linear search. So in linear search, the basic thing which is required is array can be a sorted or an unsorted array. Okay, so array can be in a sorted form or in an unsorted form. In both the cases, we can find out an element by using linear search. But there is one constraint in linear search. That is, in linear search, we cannot find out an element when the number of elements are more. Okay, so that constraint is very important. The linear search can be used in we can say minimum size of a array. Okay, so let us see an example of linear search. In linear search, I have taken this example in which 5 elements are there: 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a sorted array. You can also take unsorted array for solving this example. Okay, so as this is an array, the index position always starts from a of 0, then a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, a of 4. In this way, the index positions are mentioned in the array. Now, the question will be asked like, find out an item number 4. That is, we have to find out element 4 in the given array. So, how we are going to do that? So first of all, what we have to do is we have to consider at the element which is at the index position a of 0. So we can see over here at index position a of 0, the element is 2. Now we have to compare that element with the item which we have to find out. Okay, so at a of 0, the element is 2 and the item which we have to find out is 4. So we will compare 2 and 4 with each other. So obviously 2 and 4 are not equal. So we have to move to the next index position. Now the next index position is a of 1. So at the a of 1, the element is 3, right? So we have to compare that a of 1 element with the item. So we will compare 3 with 4. Now here also the elements are not equal. So we have to move to the next index position. Okay. So next index position is a of 2. At a of 2, element is 4. Now again we will compare a of 2 with item. That a of 2 is 4 and item which we have to find out is also 4. 4 is equals to 4. So we have to write down answer in the following format, that is, item is found at index position 2. We have to mention the index position in the linear search. So this is the very basic simple example of linear search. I again repeat the concept. We have to take index position from a of 0 and we have to end it till a of n. Every time we have to compare that element with the a of 0th position starting from a of 0. By comparing with a of 0, then a of 1, we have to compare this element with all this index position till we didn't get the match. Okay, so this is the simplest method of linear search and this is the simplest algorithm. So in this way, we can find out the index position of the given element, and in this way the linear search example is practically run. So this is the simplest concept of searching and very interesting. The constraint is always have to remember, that is, the elements can be sorted or can be unsorted. So this is the concept of linear search. Thank you.